We get asked all the time, how long can you store a DTF transfer before you press it? No one has had a straight answer until now. Well, not exactly right now. This video is just a teaser and to get your feedback on this test. We've printed 42 nearly identical graphics. Half will be stored in a Ziploc bag with silica packets. The other half will just sit on the shelf. Each graphic marks how long it's been stored before being pressed. You can see we already pressed the first two right after curing. Every 2 weeks, we'll press the next two for 26 weeks. We'll then release an update video to let you know how it's going. Then we're gonna press every 4 weeks until we hit the 1 year mark, when we'll release the final results video. If there's some metric you'd like us to track during this experiment, tell us about it in the comments below. We're hoping to see what negative effects, if any, storing your transfer for a certain length of time has, and to see if there's any difference between open on the shelf or sealed in the bag. That's it for this first video. Make sure you subscribe and ring the bell icon so you get notified when we release the first results video.